Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I recently printed these Crocs from TPU filament for my daughter. I think they came out amazing, especially if it's a slightly transparent TPU, and you can sort of see the gyroid infill. As you can see from these pictures, I did end up using supports. Had no issues printing at all. A little bit of stringing, but that, it's TPU, that's to be expected. On the first shoe, there was a little bit more stringing. I had my temperature set at 240°C, but on the second shoe, I reduced that to 230 and a lot less stringing. Luckily, the TPU I was using was a rainbow TPU, and I was able to print the backstrap here and all the hardware with the next color, which was yellow, and I think it matches perfectly. Now, this next little bit, I am trying to figure out the best way to attach everything to the shoe. As you can see, the hardware comes in two different pieces. The larger piece I use on the outside, and with the smaller flat piece I attached it on the inside. As you can see here, I just poke it through and I snapped it right in. Now, I'm a little worried these might pop off easily. In the future, if I need to, I will add a little dab of super glue right there. And with that, this shoe's hardware, aka four-wheel drive mode, is installed. I'm going to fast forward through the installation on the next shoe. You guys already seen this before, so no need to watch it in slow motion like the first one. And with that, both shoes are now done. If you enjoyed this video, it'd be a big help if you liked and subscribed. Thank you.